call for a prep table. What else is new? Let's get out there and see what's happening. Let's see if we can make it easy. All right, it's another Chinese unit, the Atosa. It's running at 42 degrees. I noticed this right away. Can you pull that? These have a pre-filter. Let me get it off of there. Yeah, that could be my problem right there. Air pre-filter, plug-o, bug-o. There's no access fittings. I'm gonna probably stick a bullet valve right here to take some readings. I usually find these low on charge. Let's see. Here, 12 ounces, 134A. I got ice in here to cool it. And condensers. There's no heat coming off of that condenser. Alright, let's see what we can do here.
The fit on is right now every 2 or 3 years you need to refill it.
No, you don't have to refill it. There should be a tight system. You only have to refill it if there's a leak.
I see.
And I'll get the leak detector after we get it charged up. We'll see where the leak's at.
Okay.
Yeah, we're definitely way low.
No, I think.
Alright, just about there. We can do a leak check on it for it. No batteries required. Glow in the dark JBs. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Glow in the dark, baby. That's on the Headless Horseman's new ones. Glow in the dark. That was another leaky evaporator coil on that Atosa prep table. Barely over 2 years old. Maybe like 2 years and 4 months. Real common on those. I'm seeing a lot of that lately. Not sure if the customer is going to like the price on a coil replacement or not. And that's where she's at with that thing. So good fun times out there. All right, everybody, like, subscribe, and we will check you on the next one. NorCal's always on time.